Chapter 6 in SCM Supply Chain Management. This is my reflection. I learned about in topic in Chapter 6 Supply Chain Management Strategy in Chapter 6, and it's gaining a competitive edge for, organization. And the first thing I learned is about the strategic supply chain process. This is the process where it includes various stages as product production. This is where it comes your product will be made, or the raw materials will be made to be processed to become a product, and the consumer interaction. It comes with the interaction with your client, or with your consumer, or your business partner, or in short, interaction with others, or with your client or customers. And third thing is manufacturing. Manufacturing is important when it comes to supply chain process. This is where the product will be made, where they will be manufacturing all the product. And fourth thing is the retailing. Mostly this always happen when it comes if you want to expand your business. Retailing is one of the best choice when if you want to your business to grow more. Retailing is the best choice if you want to expand more your business, and if you want to introduce more your product to others. Is the first thing you must do is retailing it. Find any business partner that could retail your own product. And last thing is the logistics. This stage represents the flow of goods and the services from production to final consumption. And one more thing that I learned is about customizing the plan. The strategy should be aligned with the company's broader objective. It is important to customizing your own plan when it comes to supply chain. It is important because for me, customizing your plan is you can focuses own on your own for your own perspective. Like you can see if there's any something wrong, if you plan with this. If you for example, if you will do a retail, for my example earlier, that the first thing you should do, if you want to expand your business, you should retail. Or for example, with that, with the customizing your plan, you're planning ahead with the if you want to expand, you're planning ahead, like you want to retail with or collaborating with others, having a business partner. It's a part of customizing your own plan. It's planning about your business or your product, promoting product, or promoting your own product. And in short, the right SCM strategy is vital for creating competitive advantage, and it should be integrated into the company's broader plan. Just like I said earlier, this strategy should align with the company borders objective and operation to optimize the entire value chain. You should optimize the cycle of the whole preparing strategic of the planning your planning out of your business. The strategy that you will make in making or making your product or making your own business. You should plan it, and research more about it when it comes to your product. And you should align every you should align your plan to your objectives, because it is important too, because if you're making a coffee shop, for example, but uh, your plan is not aligned to your in the name of your own shop. You name it as a coffee shop, but you're selling a flower shop, like you're selling some flowers, some roses, tulips, something like that. You should align for you should align your plans to your own company, based on what variety of your company is. You should align it, and it helps to expand, and it helps to make easier to expand your own uh, business, or it aligns you to the supply chain. That's all, and thank you.